Hi, Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about what happened in one session, just to teach you some things that could happen for you. So I worked with a client, and what she talked to me about was procrastination, can't get things done, being really frustrated, not having the will to do stuff. She said, I used to be able to get stuff done, but I just can't do it now. So I asked her, well, was there something that happened? Because you used to be able to, you can't now. She said, yeah, 21 years ago I was raped by a boyfriend, and ever since then things changed. I went, oh, okay. So we just added that into the pot of the frustration, can't get things done, don't have the will, and started working through that. And along the way I noticed she wasn't really present in her body. I could just feel it. So we did TAT with a wow statement, which was something like, wow, I can be totally present in my body, in the here and now, and feel at ease. So I read that to her 3 times. We went on, and as we went on, she just started to feel lighter. And it's just like it was a path of things going where I didn't expect them to, but realistically, I've been doing this a long time and I have pretty much no expectations. So she ended up feeling lighter and more present and more at ease. So what I want you to know from this is that sometimes you think, oh, I'm working on my procrastination, but it's really going to be about you're not really here. She also mentioned in the session that she doesn't connect easily with people. They just don't email her back. They don't get back to her. So what I want you to know is if you don't connect easily with people, or you feel like you're not just kind of getting feelings, or your intuition isn't on, it may be that you're not present in the here and now in your body. So you need to do TAT about that. In her case, she happened to know, okay, I was raped by my boyfriend 21 years ago. In your case, you might not know that. You might just know, well, when I was a kid I could do it, but I don't know, something happened. You can still do TAT about it without ever knowing what the deal is. And I just want to emphasize to you, if you are not present in your body, in the here and now, you just can't deal. You can't connect with people. You can't connect with your own feelings. Nothing seems to work. And in fact, even TAT won't work great for you. So you got to take a second and notice that, geez, it's really hard for me to connect with people. Am I kind of zoned, spaced out, not really feeling what's happening in my own body? All those are signs you need to do TAT about that. And the other thing I want you to know is just going through stuff, like I said, you don't know what's going to turn up. So you just do TAT and allow whatever shows up to show up and add it into your pot. If there's obstructions, or your stomach gets tight, or you feel like a pit in your throat, just add that into your TAT pot without knowing what the heck it is, and carry on. By the end of a session, usually in one session, meaning not longer than an hour, all that stuff resolves and your whole life experience can change. That's that. One of the beauties of TAT is you don't have to redo stuff. You do it and it's a done deal. That's one of the things I really love about it. Okay, so thanks for listening. I hope this helps you out. I hope you just use it, do TAT a bunch, get way happier. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.